Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. So I am here with starting with our new unit, that is our fifth unit, and the unit is start with a little poem. The name of that poem is Merry Go Round. Uh, I hope you saw that the merry go round. When you went some picnic spots, you definitely saw that the merry go round. It is rounded, circular in the motion, and it has some horses, some other animals for just you need to climb on it and have to enjoy your ride. So this poem is related only on that. You can see here is a one girl who is sitting on that horse and she is enjoying the ride on the merry-go-round. So let's discuss how's the poem and try to understand. I climbed up on the merry-go-round and it went round and round. The girl, she is saying that when she climbed up on merry-go-round, it moved it then the merry-go-round is rounded, is went round and round. I climbed up on big brown horse and it went up and down. After that she is saying that when she climbed on a big brown horse, you can see here, right, the color of that horse is brown. So she climbed up on a big brown horse and the horse is went like up and down. He had a motion, so the horse is going like went he is going like up and down, around and round and up and down, round and round, up and down. I sat high up on a big brown horse and rode around on the merry-go-round and rode around. Then after that she is saying she is just enjoying the ride of merry-go-round, and she is just saying that round and round because it moves round and round, and the horse is going went like up and down. On the merry-go-round, I rode around. Rode is a past tense of ride. So the girl saying that when she on the merry-go-round, then she had a ride like around. On the merry-go-round, around and round and round. So this is a story. This is a poem of the merry-go-round, and these are the new words which is coming out from that the story. What are these like? Around, down, in, on, out, round, up. So what is meant by around? Around means which is moving like in a circular motion. Down means if something is going down towards the earth. In means if you fix something in the box, in the table, something that is inside, who is whatever that you can uh, block it. So that is that in. Out, round and up. So these are the new words. Let's read. I ride on a horse. I ride on a horse. So on is word is used for horse. So I ride on a horse. The next is reading is fun. Let's see. There is two questions. Let's see what are the questions. How did the merry-go-round go? How did the merry-go-round go? The merry-go-round around and round. How did the big brown horse go? The big brown horse went like up and down. Right? So this is the answers. In that let's talk. Have you seen a merry-go-round? Where have you seen it? Would you like to go to a fair? On the page number 55, go around the merry-go-round, find the letters and say them aloud. On that merry-go-round, you can see there are some alphabets, that is the letters. You have to read it properly. That is from A to Z. Okay, write the words in your notebook at least 2 times and say it aloud. Okay.